Take a ride in the 2022 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, rear view camera. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.